they have to do better than before. I'm not against anyone there who was before, but things were not moving. We know that people were saying the government is paralyzed.
No problem. Take your time. Take a sip.
There was scam.
Please continue.
So from that angle, I think this reshuffle in totality is better for the Congress party. And if you want, I know I won't have time, there are 5 of us there, I can give 20 reasons why this is better, and I'll give you 4 reasons why this is worse. Jayapal Reddy's perception of his shifting being one of those reasons.
No, give me one reason. Give me one reason on the debate tonight. Actually give Seshadri Chari one reason. Don't give me one reason. Give the BJP one reason what is not working for them. Because, you know, it's a balance of give one clear reason, then I'll get Mr. Chari to respond.
No, I don't want to get into...
No, be candid, Rahul Bajaj, be candid tonight.
In this game
what is one reason not working
Chari
for them?
Something or tell Madhu something. I'm not in this game. All I can say is, when I said Congress and BJP both are in difficult position, talking of BJP, I'm referring to Karnataka, I'm referring to Yadurappa, I'm referring to who is going to break away from the BJP. I'm referring to my friend Nitin Gadkari, whose son's wedding in Nagpur I attended. Again, perceptions. He's a businessman, I'm a businessman. But perception is, there is Garbar. So, who's doing everything well? I think we are individually good people. But the moment we come to a party, we have to listen to the bosses and we have to start, I don't know, making money, some of us, not all. And things are bad. Things are pretty bad.
Seshadri Chari, you're losing the perception battle, is the diagnosis from Rahul Bajaj tonight. That you're losing the perception battle. Respond.
Rahul Bajaj.
Yeah. Mr. Rahul Bajaj is an experienced person. He has good experience.
He's much more senior to me and much more knowledgeable than me.
No, it's okay. You can, Mr. Chari can take some criticism. It's all right. Yes, Mr. Chari.
Mr. Bajaj is very good at industry, business as well as politics, and his analysis has a point. Politics, after all, there is an adage. Politics is perception. You think Mr. XYZ is very good. But what happens is, in politics, perception does not last very long. I'll tell you, it could be a very controversial statement after I make it. But in spite of that, I'm risking this statement. This statement is, the perception in 2004, when Advaniji raised the issue that this Prime Minister has no authority. Manmohan Singh is a man without any authority. Even some people from the BJP criticized him. He said, how can you say this about Manmohan Singh? He's a wonderful person. But let me tell you, the perception about Manmohan Singh has changed in these 10 years. Today, people say that Manmohan Singh cannot be a good person if he allows bad things to happen right under his nose. It has come to that. In the next 1.5 years, if this government lasts for another 1.5 years, that perception may further change.
Okay, rebuts.
That is number one.
Yeah.
Number two, similarly about BJP also. Yes, I do agree BJP has got certain problems as far as its organization and some states are concerned. But we are capable of handling those issues because we have to handle only the organizational issue, whereas the government has to handle the organization, UPA, Congress, allies, and the governance, which is totally lacking for the last 8 years.
Perception.
This is the problem.
Perception. So I think Perception's the issue tonight. Last word to Bharat Kumar Rao and Madhu Gaur. The BJP says we'll fight the perception back. Rahul Bajaj says you are losing in terms of perception, especially after the reshuffle. Bharat Kumar Rao, very quick last word from you tonight. Then I'll get a final rebut from the UPA.
I don't think in any case BJP or particularly NDA is losing perception game. If you see the election,
despite Gadkari
all over the country, you will say.
Despite Gadkari,
that people have accepted NDA as the future rulers.
Despite Gadkari.
Yeah, see, Nitin Gadkari issue, Nitin Gadkari is a trial by press, trial by media.
Shoot the media.
I again and again telling you, yeah, you go. Anybody should go and file a case, or government should initiate inquiry, some type of inquiry. And if he's guilty, they hang him. I'm saying
Last
you
word,
hang
Madhu
him.
Gaur tonight.
I'm not defending him.
Madhu Gaur. Madhu Gaur.
Quickly, let
but
me say
in
quickly,
perception,
we are talking about
that does not
perception
work.
here. We are taking from an independent opinion from a very distinguished person, industrialist, as a member of parliament, he has an impeccable record. Mr. Bajaj, impartial statement or opinion clearly explains what you're trying to create in a perception without any unfounded evidence or basis. Prime Minister under the Constitution has a right to overrule any minister. If really that is the pressure, Prime Minister could have even taken a decision on its own. So the perception which we are trying to create here, under some pressure, Mr. Jayapal Reddy has been transferred, which is incorrect or unfounded. I respect Mr. Bajaj's impartial, candid, open statement, how in a citizen of this country, very distinguished person, his opinion, you have to respect it. So here, we in the government, we are always prepared to defend our government where we are in the power. So we are well equipped to defend our government, to take it in 2014 for next 5 years. And we are very confident of winning next election.
Now,
also.
Digvijay Singh said...
The opposition ultimately frustrated, not being in power for 10 years, they are ready and hoping, wishful thinking to have elections as early as possible, which is not going to happen. One of my colleagues from BJP from Rajasthan said in 2009, in the next 6 months we have elections. So this is what
all the best to you, Madhu. All the best to you.
Never fulfilled.
Digvijay Singh said today the best thing for us is for
Mr.
Nitin
Bharat,
Gadkari to continue
Mr.
as
Bharat,
BJP
Mr.
president
Bharat,
because it works for us in terms of the perception battle.
Quickly,
Perception
my
matters.
see, today,
This,
Mr. Modi, Arnab, Mr. Modi says, let CBI, government is accusing government to using CBI, that we are using it. And either BJP and their alliance partner says that, okay, let government have an investigation. One, you don't trust the investigation agencies, and two, you are...
But you haven't lost faith in yourself. How can you say that?
Which you don't trust.
Would you cast aspersions on your own agencies? You shouldn't say that.
Cabinet reshuffle.
Despite
And we are talking only two political parties.
That we are saying.
Very cabinet reshuffle.
Indispensable president.
Yes, let's give Mr. Bajaj the last word. No, you can't stop trusting your own investigating agencies. Mr. Bajaj, what were you saying there?
Nitin Gadkari has some gadbad. He did some gadbad.
Well, like
I'm
Suresh
saying,
Kumar.
Arnab, I may be completely wrong. That's not the point. I appreciate what Madhu said about me. But this is becoming a partisan debate. It happens most of the time. Nothing new about that. We, except for Jayapal Reddy, what did we discuss about the cabinet reshuffle? We had so much to discuss.
Very unfortunate, yeah.
I was doing my work the whole day. I was not watching TV like you, Arnab, maybe. But still, I have so many things to discuss about this cabinet reshuffle. Some weak, some questionable, and some very good. Some very good. I'm prepared to debate on prime time TV with anybody, including Bharat, including Sanjay, Raut, anybody else. But the point is, let's discuss. There's no time now. There are 79 ministers here. Let's discuss 7, 8 others if we have time. We are saying BJP is bad, BJP is bad, Congress is bad, Congress is bad. That won't get anywhere. Madhu says, we will win. They are tired of being in the opposition for 10 years. He says, now we will come back to power. The recent elections are showing that. Is that the subject for today? Then I would not be here. Because I don't understand that.
Rahul, this is...
I know half, not everybody, but 1/3 of the people in this cabinet and the Minister of State. And I love the people who got independent charge by and large. The independent charge people, there are 12 of them, outstanding people.
Well,
let's give them credit to that. Let's give them a few months.
Well, give them a few months.
In the last 2 years,
give them a few
by
months.
Not acting. Actually, by not doing anything.
Give them a few months.
They don't accept that. But I'm saying that.
Perception, however, Mr.
Where was
Bajaj...
the reform? Where were the decisions? It was weak. They had problems. Coalition partners, opposition, they blame BJP. BJP blamed them. We know all that. We are not getting into that. But if you want, you call another debate, Arnab, not with me, but with other people, to discuss the cabinet reshuffle. Give 1 minute for each cabinet member.
Sure. Then
or 2 minutes. And then discuss 15 names.
Well,
he didn't do anything like that today. I'm sorry to say.
Mr.
They
Bajaj,
only discussed.
I
Yeah, but we
appreciate, I respect you greatly.
I mentioned a few things about Mr. Moily.
I have great regard for you, Mr. Bajaj. I wish I could spend time on each of the 79 ministers.
That doesn't help me.
But the fact is later on News Hour tonight, we have 3 of those ministers. We're going to ask them some straight questions about what they intend to do. So we have the INB minister, who you've appreciated. We have the Parliamentary Affairs minister. We have the law minister. That debate's coming up. But tonight, who wins on perception does matter. How much of a change is it?
In fact, let me say this. The fact that Kamal Nath has got parliamentary affairs in addition to urban development, I consider that a very positive point.
And he's on the News Hour tonight.
Kamal Nath may have his weaknesses, but he will do a great job.
And he's on the News Hour tonight. Thank you very much, Mr. Bajaj, Madhu Gaur, Seshadri Chari and Bharat Kumar Rao, on Who's More Battle Ready for 2014. Thank you very much.